What's up, MathEdgers? It's your boy, Dabby McDab, coming at you with a fresh new vid. Today, we're going to be learning about the recursive formula for arithmetic sequences. First, let's look at some terms. We have the terms a1, an minus 1, and d. Our first term, a1, is simply the first number in a sequence. So for our example here, a1 equals 1. Next, an is the number that you're trying to find in a sequence. So we're trying to find the fourth number in the sequence, so you would write a4. Next, an minus 1 is the term that you're trying to find in the sequence minus 1. And so since we're trying to find the fourth term, you just do 4 minus 1, and you're trying to find so that you get a3, which is just 3. And finally, d is just the second number in the sequence minus the first number. So in this case, 2 minus 1 equals 1, so d equals 1. Now let's take a look at how we plug this into the formula. So we have a1 equals the first term, which you already know. But then this right here is the main formula. an equals an minus 1 plus d. And you use this for any sequence that you have. Let's take a look at an example so it makes more sense. So we have the sequence 11, 15, 19, 21, 25, and we're trying to find the sixth term in the sequence. So first we have to find a1. Because 11 is the first term in the sequence, a1 equals 11. Next, let's plug it into our equation. So we get a6, because we're looking for the sixth term, equals a6 minus 1, because we're looking for the sixth term, so we need the fifth term in the sequence, plus 15 minus 11, because 15 is the second term and 11 is the first term. Let's simplify this a little more. So you get a1 equals 11, and a6 equals a5 plus 4. Next, you plug in 25 for a5, because it's the fifth term in the sequence, and you finally get that a6 equals 29. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look at one more example. You can pause the video now if you want and try to do this on your own. If not, unpause and I'll walk you through it. So, we have the system 290, 212, 134, 56, and we're trying to find the fifth term. First, we have to find that a1 equals 290, which we already know, and then a5, because we're trying to find the fifth term in the sequence, equals 56, because that is a5 minus 1, or a4, the fourth term, plus 212 minus 290, because that's d. Finally, once you simplify it all down, you get a5 equals 56 minus 78, and once you solve for that, you find that a5 equals negative 22. And that's it. Easy peasy. I'd like to thank you all for watching today, and take a look at some of our other videos, link in the description, and as always, stay classy.